Monty and Maureen are horrified, like the rest of the nation. They watch television and just can't believe what they're seeing by the spill in the Gulf. But they don't really get involved until Harold comes to them and says he has a really horrible problem in Canada. Big Oil and his bosses at Microgreen that are forcing him to use the dangerous bacteria he's developed in a reckless, hastily thrown together experiment. In his lab, he came up with an oil-eating bacteria that, much to his surprise, turned out to be really, really virulent and eats oil like crazy, but is really dangerous. And this experiment, if it goes wrong, could have devastating consequences. So basically, we're trying to figure out, will our baby boomer duo, their parrot, and their wonderful French bulldog save the world, or will the planet blow up?